We are going sledding today in Storm Gia. We've already got 12 inches of snow on the ground, but why not go sledding?
That hill.
Grandpa.
See, there's people right there.
Where you going, Grandpa?
Look, Grandpa's way out there in the distance with Joseph. Sorry, we're in your way, bud.
What do you say?
He didn't say nothing. Come on, Grandpa, come back this way.
Brian.
Oh, I need my tripod. Shoot, I'm gonna go get my tripod, y'all. Look. Look how deep it is on the wheels. And they have plowed through here, but still, look how deep it is. Oops, I just crashed out. I can barely see you through the snow. Let's go. Let's go. See Nick go here. Grandpa and Joseph are stuck too. Sorry, shook the camera. Putting the camera on my tripod. Sorry, guys. Can you see that very good? Is he in focus at all? Not really, huh? That's alright. Grandpa's trying to pull him. Grandpa's trying to pull him. Grandpa's a hard ass, by the way. Already went through a laryngectomy. Cancer of the throat. Had to have his voice box cut out, but man, nothing ain't gonna stop him. He's like, I'm gonna pull this little boy. We're behind the Virginia school here. I think it's like maybe 28 degrees outside. Feels good though. It's not really that cold. Not really that cold. Oh shit, don't tell me that's a snow truck coming through here. No, it's just other people being nosy. Maybe they're coming sledding too. Bye. Can you even see him up there? I'm zoomed in as far as I can get with my lens, guys. Sorry, didn't put my telescopic lens on. town. On the edge of town here. Cornfields is all that lines this area, so. Give you a shot of that at the end here.
I think it worked.
It works pretty good.
It really worked. That's pretty fun. That's why I looked at the fun. I see that somebody up and down and they did something. All right, brother, you want to go on this one? All right, here. Let's get up there.
Snow's blowing right in my face. But I am the camera person, so that's my job, I guess, right? Come on, Joe, you can do it. Yes, honey. Go, Joseph! Woohoo!
Go again? Come on, get back up top hill. Gotta get back to top of the hill. Come on, we gotta get back to top of the hill.
Gotta get off! You gotta get off and pull your sled up!
I know, we gotta get up now. We gotta get back to the hill. You gotta climb the hill too.
We'll change perspectives. Here, real quick.
Ready?
I'm gonna walk in the snow path here. I don't think this one's gonna be much better though, because the snow's blowing right in my camera.
Alright, so you go down now?
Is that any better, guys? Let me zoom in closer. Now you can see him, maybe. A little better. Oh, look, Joseph's going to roll down the hill. Joseph! Get up! Grandpa can't catch you!
Come on, Joseph.
Joseph, get up! Get up and you can ride the sled down, babe! Sorry, I'm yelling in the camera. Grandpa can't yell. He has no voice. Joseph, get up so you can do one more pass down the hill. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, get up. You're a big boy. You can get up. Camera's probably freezing up.
Alright, Joseph, watch out. Jolene's coming down. Better watch out.
Trying to wipe the snow off.
Coming. Better scoot over that way. Hey,
Joseph, get up.
we get sick. We'll go home. Hurry up. If you don't get up, we're going home.
Stand up if you can.